Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Nixon The Re-Run Watch is showing the wrong time, freezing, or not updating properly, it can be really frustrating, especially when you rely on it daily. Many users think the watch is broken, but in most cases, the issue is something simple like incorrect settings, low battery, or a temporary glitch. Digital watches like this can sometimes lose sync or reset unexpectedly, which makes it confusing if you don't know how to fix it. The good thing is that with a few quick troubleshooting steps, you can get your Nixon rerun watch back to showing the correct time. Try these. Step 1. Press and hold the mode button to enter time setting mode. Step 2. Adjust the hours and minutes using the buttons. Step 3. Reset the watch if the display is frozen or unresponsive. Step 4. Check and replace the battery if time keeps resetting. Step 5. Ensure the correct time format is selected. Step 6. Exit settings and confirm the time updates correctly.